In this video, I will show how to protect only certain cells, column or rows in Excel. So same method, you can protect any particular cell or selected data. Firstly, click this corner. Now right click anywhere. Now here format cells. Then in the protection, select here unlocked. So make sure it's not selected. Now click on OK. Now you have to select any column, any row or any particular cells. Like for example, you want to lock this column, so select it. Now right click on it, format cells and select lock. Click on OK. Now review, protect sheet and click on OK. Also you can enter the password if you like. Now try to change. Enter the password. Now re-enter password. Then click on OK. Now try to change data. So we can see now this particular column is now protect. And the same method you can protect any particular data. Just select it, right click and select locked. To remove this setting, review and unprotect. This time select unprotect and enter the password. Now you can make changes. So thanks for watching.